Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can see who likes you on Tinder for free. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, we're going to open up our Tinder app on our phone first. Make sure you have signed in as well. Now this is how it's gonna appear. So we simply gonna start from swiping left and right in our home section, right? So simply if they have swiped us right, that means they have liked us and we have potential of being matched if we have done so as well. Now if you're gonna go to this section, this little blink icon, you will be able to check out the likes on top and topics. So you can see we have 99 plus likes, and if you want to check out their profile, which we can't in the basic plan, we have to purchase the premium plan of Tinder itself. What you can do to make it less troublesome for you is to choose a cheaper plan, and you have to purchase it, otherwise there is no other way or cheat codes for you to check out who have liked you. If you guys have matched, it's obvious that they have liked you as well, but to check out other profile you have to purchase their plan, and then you will be able to access it. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.